Coco. Hi. Good morning, guys. It's Tuesday. We got up early and we already made our coffee, and then I was sitting here doing a little bit of reading, and the weather is so beautiful today. Blue sky, really sunny, so we're gonna go take advantage of that. We are headed now to go to the beach for lunch. There's a really nice restaurant right on the beach. And then afterwards we have some running around to do. We're gonna go to a few stores because we have to pick up some souvenirs. And then after we're gonna come back here. So let's go and get the day started. So for those who came to our wedding, this is where we did our wedding photos. Right here. So originally we wanted to have actually the ceremony right here, but then we ended up deciding to have the ceremony on the beach, and then we came here afterwards for photos, and they turned out so good. Actually, we were so happy with them. And so this is Blue Jack Tar. So they have vacation rentals there. And then this is actually the golf course. So it's on this side and it continues on this side. I don't know if you can see, but that tree has so many coconuts. Kagan and I were just saying we have to be careful because we can see all these coconuts on the ground, which means they're falling out of this tree. This is actually where we got married. Well, technically we got married here on the beach, and then that is the restaurant where we had the reception, and then they set up a dance floor and everything on the beach here. So the restaurant is actually closed today. I don't know if you can see the roof, but the wind, I guess, was really bad the other day, and it kind of destroyed the roof a bit, so they're working on it. So we are having lunch right there. This is our lunch. So I got the french fries and the Dorito chicken fingers, and Kagan got french fries and a burger. Oh, it looks good. Ooh, I'm gonna have a bite of that. And now you may eat. were hunting for this chocolate because my mom really wants to try them. So the guy at this grocery store, he was so nice, he went back to the storage room twice, and this was the last box of the Hue hazelnut butter. The grocery store that we're in, Jumbo, this is their brand. Litter? Am I saying it right?
Líder.
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 Oh yeah, because the I in Spanish sounds like an E, so líder. Líder.
Líder.
So Líder makes organic coffee now. So I'm probably gonna try some of this. How do you know that that's something for you? Oh, look, he won't let go.
Caño Azul y Diana.
Esa se llama chiquita.
Chiquita.
Esa se llama la chiquita ceniza. Esas
La
son
chiquita
familia.
ceniza.
Esas tres esas son familia. Y acá ya.
Oh,
La
Angelina. Angelina.
Esa se llama la segunda, la mañosa.
Oh, Mañosa.
Venga, ve esta. Y esa se llama la mamita. La mamita.
Give some to this one. She wants some. He wanted to introduce you to Diana, but she went. She's not here. Entonces Diana se quedó.
¿Cómo es acá?
Look at the plants. So the ones that are already sprouting up are the cherry tomatoes, and that's only been a week because I just planted them last week. There's no movement on the tomatoes or any of the peppers, but that's so exciting. Look how tall they are already. I'm actually gonna give them a little bit of a water because they look a little bit dry. This is the new watering can that I picked up at the store the other day. Actually, Kagan got it for me because they were on sale. It's really cute. So it's now Saturday. On Tuesday, you saw that Kagan and I went to the beach where we got married, And we had such a fun time. The weather was nice, there wasn't too many people at the beach. We actually prefer to go to the beach here during the week because on weekends a lot of the locals from the other cities will come down, so the beaches can actually get quite packed. And it was really nice. We had a nice lunch and just relaxed, and Kagan actually fell asleep. I think he had a little nap. And then the other day I got to hang out with my neighbors. So as you guys have seen in my other videos, there's a herd of cows that live, they're kind of in our neighborhood. So the farmers take them to different plots of land and let them just eat the grass because there's still lots of land here. So they're always here eating and hanging out, so we always see them walk by our door, and I'm always taking photos of them and taking videos of them. And so Kagan was talking to the farmer and he was asking if we could go feed them and hang out with them, and he was like, yeah, sure, come, I'll introduce you to them. And it was so cute. He has names for all the cows and he knows who is who. And you can tell he had a favorite cow. Her name was Deanna. She wasn't here. He really wanted us to meet her. He was saying, oh, Deanna's so responsible. Like, I can leave her up the street and come here with the rest of the cows, and if she doesn't come, I don't worry about her. I'm like, oh no, Deanna will find her way back. Like, she'll come here when she's ready. So we went down, we brought apples, but they didn't really want to eat the apples. The farmer was mentioning that they do prefer bananas, so I think next time we go feed them, I'm gonna go to the store and grab some bananas. I don't know if you can see, but Brooklyn's here staring at me because he's hungry. I'll give you dinner after, just let me finish filming. We have the automatic cat feeder set up now, so actually it's on my phone. I just go onto the app and I can feed him. But I can't go onto the app right now, Brooklyn, because I'm filming. I know. You're starving. So yeah, it was so nice hanging out with the cows. And finally, the news that you guys have been waiting for. So I know I mentioned in my last video that we had something exciting to share with you, and some of you might have already figured it out because some of the stuff that we've been buying just doesn't make sense. The big news that we have to share is we are going to Canada for Christmas. I'm so excited, you guys. So Kagan's never been to Canada. We've been together 7 years now and married for 2. And then in March of this year, we actually finally applied for his visa and it's official. It finally got approved. And so now we are planning to spend the holidays with my family in Canada. I'm so excited to show him all my favorite places, where I go for coffee, all the bookstores that I like, where I went to school, where I grew up, and we have so many fun things planned that I can share with you guys. We have a few fun Christmas events that we're gonna go to, so I'll be sure to bring you along for that. And then, yeah, we're just super excited to spend time with my family, and I miss being in Canada for the holidays. I don't know, like Christmas just feels extra Christmassy when it's cold and it's snowing and you can curl up in a sweater by the fire with hot chocolate and watch Christmas movies. So now I'm probably gonna change into something a little bit more comfortable because we're gonna get a head start on packing just to make sure that we have everything, that we're not forgetting anything. And yeah, so let's pack. Brooklyn, are you showing off your hair routine? Grab your brush. Yeah, now brush your hair. You're so cute. No, don't eat it. So this is the outfit that I showed you guys in my last video. This is what I'm gonna be wearing on the airplane. Just because it's super comfortable, nice and cozy. I'll be nice and warm because the airplane's always freezing. So both of these are a size small. This is the oversized knit sweater. I got it in color apricot. And I love the v-neck. I just think it's so pretty. And these leggings, they feel like butter. They're so comfortable. They're high-waisted. And then I'm 5'7", so they're actually a good length. They come just above my ankle. Can't wait. I'm gonna be so cozy sitting on the plane. Just maybe better lighting for you guys.